Hey y'all, it's Tajla. Welcome back to my channel. So this video will just be a quick length check update from my last length check update was only a month ago, but I want to show you realistically what my hair grows like within a month. So if you're growing with me this year, I put all of these videos in the playlist. The first one was we simply just got our starting length. That's all we did. And then I encouraged you to trim your hair because you need to eventually trim your hair or else your hair will not be able to retain length and get longer. I also put in my wash day routine. So a lot of people wonder, okay, well, I got my length. What am I doing throughout the week and stuff? So I wash my hair once a week. You need to see that video if you want to know how I do that or like what's the best way to properly wash your hair. Hopefully y'all can see this. Okay, so it turns out that my hair growth actually was exactly ½ inch, like I expected. It has only been a month since I last checked it. ½ inch is not that much, but when you think of a whole year, 6 inches is actually a lot. So if I was at the 8 in January, by time December, if I add on 6 inches, I'll be down here on my shirt. So mind y'all, I'm starting January up here. 14 is down here. So that's what I want y'all to get with this growth. It's like your hair at its regular growth already grows enough. And it's just you're not retaining length. So I'll actually make a video on ways to retain length because it's not about, oh, make my hair grow faster. But no, are you taking care of it? Because if you're taking care of it, it's going to grow anyway. You're going to see that hair get from 8 in January to 14 in December. Now, this is what I also want you to consider. I have not trimmed my hair yet this year. I plan to trim it next month. So if I do 6 inches minus 1 whole inch, I want to be around 13 by the end of 2019. So 13 on my shirt is my goal. So that's how I'm setting my goal. I recorded the starting rate. Then I waited a month to see how much my hair grows per month. We confirmed just now that it is ½ inch a month. So if I think ½ inch a month times 12 months, that's 6 inches. But then I know I'm going to trim my hair. So 6 inches minus 1 inch will give me about 5 inches of growth to retain. So that is the length that I expect to retain. Now, in order to retain 5 whole inches, I have to make sure that I'm treating my hair really well. But if I'm doing that, I know I'm going to see the growth. By January 2020, my hair, I'm expecting for it to be at the number 13 on my shirt. Right at, I labeled it as waist. Honestly, y'all could, if this is my, hold on, Blaze, okay, in a little bit, okay? Not yet, okay? Because I'm recording. Let me know down below what your growth goal is at the end of this year according to what you realize your growth rate is. So that's what I want y'all to do today. Comment down below, what is your goal at the end of this year? And I have this shirt with numbers on it, so I could say like my goal is number 13 on my shirt, but you could say like waist length, bra strap, shoulder length, whatever. So whatever you want to use to measure, but put your goal down below in the comments. Make sure you like the video and make sure you subscribe because if you're growing with me, you will need to keep up with these videos. I will be putting in a protective style this week. So that is the next video I'll be doing for y'all on this growth journey. I know some of us like to protective style and wonder like how does that affect our hair growth? And there's a lot of myths with protective styles that I want to touch on also. So expect the video for that. And whatever other ideas you guys think of and that you feel like you want me to put into this particular playlist with the growth, just let me know in the comments, send me a message or whatever. But don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next videos.
And have a good chance.
He's been bugging me this whole video.
Okay, just enjoy your video. Bye. Bye, kids. I'm gonna eat some vegetables.
No.
Okay. Bye, kids. Subscribe below. And give this channel a nice like button and subscribe this video and give it a thumbs up. And subscribe this video again. Don't forget to subscribe the video and get this channel right.